Hey guys, it's Cameron with Z1 Off-Road. Today I'm going to show you how to install steering lights on your Frontier or your Xterra. We're here underneath our shop truck, our white D41 Frontier. This is going to be a really simple install. All we're going to do is remove this nut on top, put the bracket on, put the nut back, and you guys can see how to wire it pretty easily from there. But let's get into it. So I got a 21mm socket here. We're going to go ahead and just break this loose. There it goes. Hopefully, if your conical seat is nice and stuck in there, it shouldn't even drop your steering linkage. So all you do is you take that off, make sure the surface is nice and clean, you don't have any rocks or dirt or anything on it, and then all you're gonna do is drop your light bracket right on top, and that's where it goes. Then you can just send the nut home. This is a lot easier to do in the air with the wheel off, but you don't have to do it. You can do it right on the ground just like this. I've done it a couple times like that. Tighten that up, and there you go. That's your light installed. So you can adjust the angle on these as well as, your up, down, as well as your in and out. Your wheel offset's gonna play a large part in that. These are plus 20, 18.5-inch wheels. So these are sitting just about where the factory wheel is on your inboard side. So maybe a little bit more aggressive, but just barely. If you have more aggressive offset, like some zero offset wheels, this is gonna have tons of clearance around it. No need to worry about any sort of obstruction from your tires at all. So of course, heavily case-by-case basis, but otherwise after this, all you're gonna do is you're gonna plug in your wiring harness here, run it up alongside your ABS line, and run it to your light controller of your choice. That's it, guys. Just do the same thing on the other side, and that's all you gotta do. Okay, so as you can see, it just takes one tool to install that. Just a few minutes, pretty easy. Wiring it, just wire it to your light controller of choice, and obviously do the same on the other side. But if you wanna get yours, get it at z1offroad.com today.